So they like the pie best, and they like the cheesecake, and the squash is dead last.
They're pretty spoiled.
It's odd how they have preferences. Every single chicken has the same preference. Pie crust, cheesecake, squash.
You know, it's really weird to watch that they can actually move the bottom beak from side to side.
Oh, like they're chewing?
Yeah. Watch. It's really weird. Is it the Cernius?
You're going to think your thumb is a little grub.
Yeah, watch this. This one especially. Watch. Move it from side to side. Yeah, let's see how big we are.
They must be able to taste to be so discriminating on their food.
Okay.
Chicken have taste buds on their toes? The nutritious squash is not their favorite. They want more pie. Danny, go get more pie. Oh, you're waking the ducks up in the pits.
Yeah, they're not too
The ducks are not happy, these noisy chickens.